In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive on smart TV like Samsung, LG, Sony, and TCL. So if you wish to actually see your files from Microsoft OneDrive from your PC to your smart TV or any application or device that you have, what we can do is we need to make sure that you have an account first for OneDrive and make sure to back up all of your documents in order to sync them across all devices. Once you have done that on your PC, you can proceed to go over to your TV and head over to the Google Play Store. Once you're on your Google Play Store, click onto the search in here for OneDrive, and from in there you can see Microsoft OneDrive. From in there, proceed to click onto this install option in order to install Microsoft OneDrive on your TV, and once it's done that, you should be able to sync your files directly from this part, and you should be able to access it directly from your TV. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.